Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a verified badge on Soundcloud. So here you can see that I am on the official Soundcloud website. So here you can see that verified badge icon is to help well-known creators to stand out and maintain their authenticity. So in order to get a verified badge, you need to fulfill these requirements. You are a well-known or highly searched artist. You must have a unique presence. It doesn't contain any misleading information, and you must have a bio, profile photo, and at least one track uploaded. Once you have fulfilled these requirements, all you need to do is go to your settings and then click on request verification badge. So in order to go to settings, I need to click on the top left icon and then go to settings. And here in the account information you will see request verification badge. Since I have not uploaded anything, so I can't see that button, but if you have uploaded and fulfilled those requirements, then you will see that button. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.